Hello guys, welcome to our channel Essential BI. In this session, we are going to learn how to get static date, static time by the shortcut and how to get dynamic date and dynamic time by the formula. So first, we will press Control semicolon. So it will give us the static date. If we will press Control Shift semicolon, it will give us the static time. If we will select the today, so it will give us the dynamic date. If we will press we will select now, so it will give us the dynamic time. I'm writing this here. Control plus semicolon, control plus shift plus semicolon, today, now. Thank you so much guys, thanks for watching.